of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, oh baby.
Good morning, beautiful people. As you can see, I'm doing my Sunday reset routine. Today was not a routine because I don't do the same thing every Sunday, but this is basically my Sunday reset. You know, this is stuff that I usually do to reset my week so that way I can be ready for Monday and start the whole work week again. Y'all, real talk. I've only been up for like an hour and a half and I'm already tired again. I don't know what's going on. It's like I have all the energy at night. Like once the sun goes down, that's when I'm like, oh, I'm ready to go. I can do whatever. I can do anything and everything. But when the sun is up, it's just like I have no energy. The only thing I want to do is just like lay around. What is that? Do y'all know? Because it's just like the sun is up, I'm down. When the sun is down, I'm up. I want to clean. I want to cook. I want to do everything like in the evening / nighttime. But anyway, I digress. So as you can see, as soon as I woke up, I went ahead and put my sheets and stuff in the, what's it called? I'm about to say the dishwasher, not the dang dishwasher. You know what I'm about to say. No, wash the clothes, wash the sheets. I'm washing them, okay? And y'all, I'm really tired. But that's because if I don't go ahead and do it right then, it's not gonna get done. Like I need to go ahead and start my process of doing the laundry that morning because you know, usually takes all day. Start with the sheets, then go to clothes, towels, all that stuff. Like it takes all day. So I went ahead and did that ASAP. And then y'all, I don't know. So you see me eating I ate some Cap'n Crunch today. Y'all, when I tell you, I haven't eaten cereal in like 2 years. Maybe longer than that. Maybe like 2-3 years. But one day last week, I was just sitting on my couch watching TV. And the strongest craving for cereal just hit me. I was like, oh my gosh. I need some cereal and I need it right now. So I bought me 2 boxes of cereal. I got Cap'n Crunch and I got Lucky Charms. And y'all, I had just been killing that cereal. I don't know what happened. But y'all, I mean, the craving just came out of nowhere. Like, oh my gosh, I want some cereal so freaking bad. And now I'm just on this cereal kick again. But anyway, yeah, that's all I've done so far. But honestly, this Sunday reset is going to be, you know, really simple, very realistic. I'm not about to put stuff in it that I don't usually do just so I can have stuff. Like, this is going to be very realistic. As soon as I get done talking to y'all, I'm about to go sit on the sofa. Well, it's not like the washing machine just stopped. So I'm going to go put my clothes in the dryer. Then I'm going to go sit on the sofa until I feel like cleaning. That's really what's going to happen. But yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed my first Sunday reset video. Of course, I'm going to be talking to you guys, you know, throughout the day or whatever. It's not going to be like a quiet video. But just want to come on and talk to you guys really quick. And yeah, like I said, my energy is already going down. Like, what is up with that? Like, is that something, is that a medical problem? Is something wrong with me? Because I'm telling you, I've only been up for 1 hour and 30 minutes and I'm tired already.
Guys, you know you better watch out. Some girls are only about some guys are only think that
Y'all, I have so much more energy now. I really needed that nap. So anyway, I just came back from the grocery store. What was that? What was that? Okay. I just came back from the grocery store. I didn't get a lot. I got some salmon because this is what I plan to eat this week. Usually I'm gonna make me like a salmon bowl and I can eat off this for like 4 days because I don't eat that much anyway. So this can last me 4 days. Sorry if you hear my robot vacuum. But anyway, I also bought a Swiffer because I have a floor cleaner mop thing. It's the can't think of, it's like a Bissell something that you plug up, and it has like the 2 different spinning mop pads or whatever. And I got that, but now I'm just over it. Like, it's too bulky to have to always just like pull it in and out, and I don't know, I'm just over it. Like, I used it in one of my cleaning videos, and I've had it for like 2 years, but I don't know, I just feel like I need something simple. So I got me a Swiffer wet jet, and even though it comes with the whatever little pads or whatever, I got some more as well. So yeah, it's like this might can be a cute what you call it, cute thumbnail. Smile. And then, as you know, whatever groceries you buy, you never eat your groceries the same day you buy them. If you didn't know, I'm telling you now, you gotta let your groceries marinate, okay? You never eat the same food you just bought. So I went to McAllister's and I got me a sandwich, y'all. I've never been to McAllister's like on a Sunday. I guess like after church like that, I guess that's why it's so packed. It was so freaking packed in there. Like, every time I go in there, it be dead, it be empty. Like, I just go in and go out. It was packed in there. I guess the people love McAllister's on a Sunday after church, honey. I didn't know. But anyway, so I got me a turkey crunch sandwich and some Cheetos, which I probably won't eat Cheetos right now. Oh, Storm, stop being bad. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and eat this because it is what, 1:47. It's 1:47. I have my, you know, I'm saying how people just got church. I have my spiritual meeting at 3:30. And they're like, dang, that's late. It is, because, you know, most people go to wherever they go in the mornings or whatever. My meeting isn't until 3:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this real quick and then jump in the shower and get dressed. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing to the haul today. Just a black dress that I got from Shein. I like it because it got like a little splash of color or whatever. I've worn this dress before. This dress is old. So yeah, just this black dress and some black pumps. Y'all can't see. And then just a black purse. I actually did good on time, y'all, because it's 2:50. The meeting starts at 3:30. Thought I was going to be rushing trying to get out that door, but as long as I leave by 3:10, I'm gonna get there on time, so I'm good. But yeah, I will see you guys when I come back from my meeting.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can you feel us?
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. You are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone. But see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know, are you responsible? So me just say it right. It's in my love, it's in your love. Sometimes I'm good, but now. Say yes or say no. Cause I really somebody. Tell me if there's somebody.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say
Y'all, it's almost 8 o'clock. Do you know what that means? It means it's time for hot sauce of that mango. So my favorite thing, like to snack on, are these little small plate things from Hillshire. I really like the prosciutto one. It's my favorite, but they ain't have it. So this one is the Italian dry salami. Yeah, with natural Gouda cheese and toasted rounds. It's basically a fancy Lunchable, okay? And then my favorite wine, yes, it's twist off, but I don't care, honey. I don't care. It tastes good. It tastes good. So now that I've done my little cleaning, well, it wasn't like a deep clean, more like straightening up or whatever matter. But now that I'm done straightening up, well, I can't talk, I can chill and watch my show. Did it just in time. Let it air out. Let it aerate. I need to get an aerator. Is that what it's called? Like for your wine? The aerator? I need to get one. Okay. How much is enough? Yeah, I'll be pouring this thing out like by the gallon. But yeah, what time is it? 7:57. I got 3 minutes. 3 minutos. As you can see, I got 2 more. See? I like these things. Prosciutto is the best one though. Okay, got my little snack. Got my wine. Am I missing anything else? I don't think so. You know, if you watch a lot of these like Sunday resets or whatever, you know, a lot of people before they go to bed, you know, they'd be like, oh, before I go to sleep, I like to write in my journal my thoughts for the day, all the things I'm thankful for before I go to sleep that night. And I just like to plan for the week and just do all of this stuff. I'm like, y'all, I'm not that kind of girl. It sounds good in theory. If they're really, I don't even know if they're really doing it, or they might just be doing it for aesthetics for the video. But me, this girl right here, this YouTuber right here, before I go to bed, I'ma eat some processed meat, get wine tipsy, and then take my butt to bed because I got work in the morning, okay? That's what kind of YouTuber you watch around here, okay?
I actually added men. Would you be interested in being one of those?
Okay, so my question for y'all is, for the ones who watch Housewives, you know, Housewives come on first. My question for y'all is, do y'all like Marlo on here with the peach? Y'all, she doing too much. I understand, like, it's a show, so you try to keep the entertainment going or whatever, but she's just doing too much. Like, I don't understand why she's coming so hard at Candy with all the stuff Candy done did for her. Like, I don't know.
You don't get a report for being good in school. This is what's expected.
Now, when you drop off the pen, will you ask about my number folder? Because I think I left you at
20-something stitches and
Ooh. Alright, y'all, I done ate my snack and I still want something else to eat. I'm only 20 minutes into Housewives. What am I going to eat? I'm trying to think. So this is the problem, because when I went to the grocery store today, I was trying to be healthy, so I just got like fruit and stuff, but I want something crunchy, like crunch. I should have got some chips. I didn't get any chips. I mean, I could get another one of these, but I don't want to. I forgot I had Cheetos for my McAllisters. I don't know if Cheetos and wine go together, but it's gonna go together tonight. Alright, y'all, so we are on Glass 2. Now we're watching Married to Medicine. Y'all, why did Toya, well, she didn't say it, but she implied it. Why did Toya imply to everybody that her man got a little thing? Like, Toya, why? I mean, even if he does, you don't talk about your man's thing to everybody. You keep that to yourself, especially not on TV. Oh, that really looks cute.
I got some refresh to keep your pH in your vagina stable. I got probiotics for you. Not doing well at all. She's not able to eat on her own. She's on a respirator.
Alright, guys, so, I hate the lighting in this freaking bathroom. Why do my eyeballs look like black sockets? Anyway, I've watched TV. I'm wine tipsy. So now it's time to do my nighttime skincare routine and then take my butt to sleep. Oh, and I think I told you guys before that whenever I do my skincare routine, I like to watch a YouTube video. So let's see, what are we going to watch today while I do my nighttime routine? So I can watch Queen Chama. She got some videos out. I'm probably going to watch Kimberly Nicole Foster. I like her. Do y'all watch her? Kimberly Nicole Foster, but she also has another channel called For Harriet. I like her videos. So she just uploaded a new video, so I'm probably, yeah, I'm gonna watch that.
Won't you pick me up at the park right now up the block while everyone sleeps? I'll be waiting there with my drinks, my lows, my high, just so I'm low key. And if you tell the world, oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go.